Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anda Malescu and I am the owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida, specializing in business, corporate and US immigration. We can assist you with all your immigration needs regardless of where you are currently located or where you plan to go in the United States. Today we are going to speak about a new Department of Homeland Security alien registration requirement for certain non-U.S. citizens traveling to the United States. Specifically, we are going to speak about who must register, who is already registered and does not need to register again, how to register, and the penalties for failing to register. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell button or the subscribe button. On February 25, 2025, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services announced a new DHS alien registration requirement for certain non-U.S. citizens traveling to the United States. So who must register under the DHS alien registration requirement? 1. Non-U.S. citizens aged 14 and older traveling to the United States or intending to travel to the United States for 30 days or more, who were not previously fingerprinted or registered during an application for a U.S. visa. 2. Parents and legal guardians of children under the age of 14 who will be traveling to the United States for 30 days or longer and were not previously registered while applying for a U.S. visa or fingerprinted. So the parents or legal guardian must register the children who are under 14 and meet these criteria prior to the expiration of the 30 days. And finally, 3, children that were registered must re-register once they turn 14 within 30 days of their birthdays. Who is already registered and does not need to register again under the new DHS alien registration requirement? The following individuals do not need to register under the new DHS alien registration requirement. 1. Green card holders. So those of you who have obtained your green card, regardless of the avenue through which you have obtained your green card, whether it's through the diversity visa lottery or a family-based petition or a marriage-based petition or an employment-based immigrant petition or the EB-5 immigrant investor program, you do not need to register under the new DHS alien registration rule. 2. Those of you who hold a US visa, regardless of the visa you have, whether it is an E2 visa, an E1 visa, a TN visa, an H1B, an H2B, an H2A visa, an O1 visa, regardless of what non-immigrant visa you have, you do not need to register under the new DHS alien registration requirement. 3. Parolees. 4. Those of you who are employment authorization recipients, so you have obtained a work permit to work in the United States, again, you do not need to register under the new DHS alien registration requirement. And finally, those of you who are in removal proceedings also do not need to register. How to register under the new DHS alien registration requirement? You can register online by filing Form G325R biographic information through the My USCIS account. So you will need to create a My USCIS account, and once your account is created, then through that account you will be able to file electronically Form G325R biographic information. You will also obtain proof of filing, and you should carry that proof of registration with you. Now keep in mind that this registration does not provide you legal status in the United States or work authorization. It is simply a registration requirement if you meet the criteria for registration and you are not already registered, but it does not give you any legal status in the United States or authorization to work in the United States. And finally, what are the penalties for failing to register under the new DHS alien registration requirement? Penalties for failing to register include fines of up to $5,000 or imprisonment of up to 6 months or both. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. We will see you soon. Bye.